tan square A plus cot square A, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This 2 can also be written as 2 into 1, since 1 can also be written as tan A into cot A. Take LCM, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is the LCM. Now this cos square A as it is. Now you can apply A plus B whole square formula for this. A square, 1 square is 1, plus B square sin square A, plus 2 into 1 is 2 sin A. A square plus B square divided by 2AB. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class, we have discussed the problems related to trigonometrical ratios and the identities. So in this session, I will take few more problems based on identities and the trigonometrical ratio. So these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You may expect 1 or 2 questions from this for 3 marks as well as for 5 marks. Now let us right away move to your first problem. So trigonometric ratios. Now prove that root of secant square A plus cosecant square A is equal to tan A plus cot A. Square root of secant square A plus cosecant square A is equal to tan A plus cot A. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? LHS square root of secant square A plus cosecant square A. Now this is equal to square root of, you know the identities. What is 1 plus tan square A? 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A, right? Now, if you want secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A plus cosecant square A. Cosecant square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A. Now this is equal to square root of, now just take first tan square A plus cot square A plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This can also be written as square root of tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now you know there is one relation, since tan A into cot A, tan A into cot A is always equal to 1. So for this one you can substitute tan A into cot A. So I will write here, that's equal to square root of tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into, for this 1 can be written as tan A into cot A. So 2 tan A into cot A. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is this equal to? This is nothing but A plus B whole the square. A plus B whole square. So therefore this can be written as square root of A is nothing but tan A plus B is equal to cot A whole the square. So if you apply A plus B whole square for this, tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A cot A. Here square and square root gets cancelled. This is equal to tan A plus cot A, which is a required RHS. That's it. So the required answer is tan A plus cot A. Very simple. See here, just substitute the identities. Secant square is nothing but 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is secant square A. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. Tan square A plus cot square A. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This 2 can also be written as 2 into 1, since 1 can also be written as tan A into cot A. So tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan A cot A is of the form A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is nothing but A plus B whole square. What is A? A is equal to tan A. What is B? Cot A. Tan A plus cot A whole the square. Square root gets cancelled. That's equal to tan A plus cot A, which is a required RHS. Now move on to the next problem. This is also a very important problem. Very important problem. Prove that square root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So let us take LHS. What is LHS? Root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Just multiply both numerator and denominator. rationalizing the denominator. 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Just multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. That means just multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta, rationalizing the denominator. So this is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by 1 into 1 is 1, minus into plus minus, sin into sin is sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. So this can be written as square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by, since what is 1 minus sin square theta? So 1 minus sin square theta is also equal to cos square theta. So this can be written as cos square theta, right? 1 minus sin square is cos square. So this can also be written as square root of 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta whole the square. Sin 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta can also be written as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole the square. Square and square root gets cancelled. What is left over is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, term by term division, that is 1 by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. What is this equal to? 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, which is the required RHS. So secant theta plus tan theta, very important problem. Just rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, just multiply and divide by 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole the square divided by 1 into 1 is 1, minus into plus minus, sin into sin is sin square, 1 minus sin square. What is 1 minus sin square? Cos square. So square root of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole the square, square root gets cancelled, term by term division, 1 by cos is secant, sin by cos is tan, which is the required answer. Very important problem. One more problem is there, like similarly. So one more problem is there, that is prove that square root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. This is also a very important problem. Okay. Now, same type problem. Let us take LHS. What is LHS? Square root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Just rationalize it. Rationalizing the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. This can be written as square root of 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A is 1 plus cos A whole the square divided by 1 minus cos into cos is cos square A. So this is nothing but square root of numerator is same 1 plus cos A whole square divided by, you know what is 1 minus cos square? 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square A. This can also be written as, this is equal to square root of, we can write 1 plus cos A divided by sin A whole the square. So square and square root gets cancelled. What is left over is 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Now term by term divide it. If we divide term by term, we will get 1 by sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. Now what is this equal to? 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A. 1 over sin A is cosecant A plus cos by sin is equal to cot A, which is the required RHS. So see, cosecant A plus cot A. These are two important problems. The previous one is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. The next one is 1 plus cos theta or 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So the answer for this is cosecant A plus cot A, right? So just rationalize the denominator and simplify. Term by term division will give the final answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. So what is the problem here? Prove that 1 plus sin A plus 1 by 1 minus sin A is equal to 2 secant square A. 1 divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to 2 cosecant square A. Now let us write LHS. LHS 1 over 1 plus sin A plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin A. Take LCM, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is the LCM, cross multiplied. 1 into 1 minus sin A is 1 minus sin A, plus 1 into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Minus sin A plus sin A gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 divided by, in the denominator 1 into 1 is 1, minus into plus minus sin square A. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin square A. What is this equal to? 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 minus sin square is cos square A. Now this can be written as 2 into 1 by cos square A. Since you know what is 1 by cos A, 1 over cos A is equal to secant A. So 1 by cos square is equal to secant square. 2 into 1 over cos square is secant square A, which is a required RHS. That's it. 2 secant square A. So take LCM, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is LCM, cross multiply 1 minus sin A plus 1 plus sin A, plus sin A minus sin A gets cancelled. In the denominator 1 into 1 is 1, plus into minus minus, sin into sin is sin square, 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 minus sin square is cos square, 2 into 1 by cos square is equal to secant square A. So the required answer is 2 secant square A, which is the RHS. Okay. Now there is one more problem, that is prove that this is also very important. 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is also equal to 4 times secant theta into tan theta. This is also an important problem indeed. So what is to prove? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 times secant theta into tan theta. Okay. Let us take LHS. What is LHS here? LHS is 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is the LCM. Now cross multiply it. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole the square minus 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta whole the square. Now this is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square a square plus b square sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into 1 is 2 sin theta. This is one group minus a minus b whole square a square plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab. 2 sin theta into 1 is 2 sin theta divided by the denominator 1 into 1 is 1 minus into plus minus sin into sin is sin square theta. Now just multiply by negative sign. This is equal to 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. If you multiply by minus sign, then it becomes minus 1 minus sin square theta minus into minus plus 2 sin theta whole divided by, in the denominator 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square theta. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So here minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, minus sin square plus sin square gets cancelled. What is left? 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta is 4 sin theta divided by cos square theta. Now term by term division, 4 sin theta divided by this cos square can be written as cos theta into 1 by cos theta. Now this is 4 into, what is sin by cos? Sin by cos is tan theta into 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. So therefore this can be put in the form 4 into, write secant theta first, 4 secant theta into tan theta, which is a required RHS. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. This is also important for 3 marks. See here, take LHS. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Take LCM. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is the LCM, cross multiplied. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta whole square minus 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta whole square. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Multiply by negative sign. Then this becomes minus minus and plus 1 minus sin square is cos square. So what is left over is plus 1 minus 1 plus sin square minus sin square gets cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4 sin theta. Term by term division. Sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos, sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So, the required answer is 4 secant theta into tan theta. Hope you followed. Now, move on to the next problem. Same type problem. So, what is the problem here? Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. Same type problem. Let us take LHS first. What is LHS? LHS is cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Take LCM. What is the LCM? Here the LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now cross multiply. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square. Now this cos square A as it is. Now you can apply A plus B whole square formula for this. A square, 1 square is 1 plus B square sin square A plus 2 into 1 is 2 sin A. A square plus B square divided by 2AB. This is same. 1 plus sin A into cos A as it is. Now, here let us group this. This cos square plus sin square make it as one group. So, this can be written as 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A one group plus what is left over is 2 sin A divided by in the denominator as it is, don't change, 1 plus sin A into cos A, 1 plus sin A into cos. So, numerator 1 plus, what is sin square plus cos square? That is equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A, right. Now, you can take 2 common factor, 2 out, 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Here 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A gets cancelled, 2 into 1 by cos A, that is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to secant A, 2 secant A, which is the required RHS, that is it. What is the answer? 2 secant A. See, take LCM, cross multiply, cos A into cos A is cos square, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square divided by denominator is same, A plus B whole square A square plus B square plus 2AB, group the terms containing sin square plus cos square, 1 plus sin square plus cos square, this is equal to 1. So, this is equal to 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin A, you can take 2 common factor, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled, 2 into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is equal to 2 into secant A is the required answer. In the previous class, we have studied conversion of one trigonometric functions into another trigonometric functions. Using that concept, we are going to take a few more problems. Suppose if the problem is like this, if cot theta is equal to 5 by 2, cot theta is equal to 5 by 2 and theta is acute, theta is an acute angle, then find the value of 3 cos theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta. This is also an important type problem. So, just what is given, cot theta is equal to 5 by 2, that is nothing but theta is an acute angle, and find out sin theta, cos theta and substitute, you will get the answer, that is it. Now, what is given? The solution given cot theta is equal to 5 by 2 and theta is an acute angle. Cot theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by opposite. Now, let us represent theta in a triangle. This is theta, angle theta. Let us call it as A, B, C. What is adjacent? 5 and opposite is equal to 2. Find out AC. AC is equal to root of AB square. 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25. This is root 29. Root 29. Find out the value of sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse, 2 by root 29. And cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse, 5 by root 29. Now, what is the given equation? Substitute here. So, the given equation becomes 3 into This is the given equation. 3 into cos theta. What is cos theta? 5 by root 29 plus 2 into what is sin theta? 2 by root 29 divided by, so in the denominator 3 into what is cos theta? 5 by root 29 minus 4 into what is sin theta? 2 by root 29. Now take LCM. Now take LCM and simplify. This is equal to, in the numerator 5 3s are 15 divided by root 29. This is plus 2 into 2 is 4 divided by root 29 whole divided by 5 3s are 15 divided by root 29 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by root 29. So take LCM in the numerator. Root 29 is the LCM. 29 gets cancelled. 15 plus 4 in the denominator also. Root 29 is the LCM. 15 minus 8. So 29 gets cancelled. 15 plus 4 is 19 divided by, what is 15 minus 8? That's equal to 7. So the required answer is 19 by 7 is the answer. So if you do this much, definitely get 3 marks. Very easiest problem. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve this type of problem. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different types of problems in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.